Hello everyone, my name is Sarah Furman, and this is my IM project. So I did mine over sheet production in Ireland, and when the students first log in, they're going to see a brief introduction of myself and the class, and obviously the class code. So if they come up here to classwork, this is just an overview of my unit, and so over to this side is a more organized version. So we have my portfolio, my blog, my website, my classroom objectives. So I think they're all pretty fair. And then I have the state standards and then a link to the state standards. This is my first unit. It's just basically going over vocab words. My second unit, which the students have to watch a video and take a quiz over, and then tell me about their favorite breed and why. And then my third unit, this is the video that I made that they have to watch, another YouTube video of facilities in Ireland, of facilities in the US, and then they have to make a Canva with the similarities and differences between the two. And finally, this is my resource page where my students can come and see where I got my information from, and they can access more resources if they need to. So my favorite part of this project was, I don't know if I had a certain part. I really enjoyed all of it. All of it was a huge learning experience. I am now confident to say I know more about technology than I did coming into this class, and that will help me in the future. So thank you for watching, and have a great day.